Welcome to VAK's lecture. In our last video, we have discussed about IP address. If you have not seen, you can catch here. Link is in description box. Now, in this video, we will discuss about IPv4 and IPv6. The Internet Protocol address is of two types, IPv4 and IPv6. Now, we will discuss about these two. Internet Protocol version 4 consists of 4 numbers separated with a dot. Each number can range from 0 to 255 in decimal numbers. But computers do not understand these decimal numbers. So these numbers are converted into binary form, which is computer understandable. So in binary, this range can be written as 8 zeros to 8 ones. Since each number n is represented by a group of 8 binary digits, the whole IPv4 address is represented by a sequence of 32 ones and zeros. Or simply I should say by a sequence of 32 bits. So IPv4 is a 32-bit address. In IPv4, a unique sequence of ones and zeros is assigned to each computer. Therefore, a total of 2 to the power of 32 devices, that is approximately 4 million devices, can be addressed and connected to internet with this IPv4. But there is a problem with this 32-bit IPv4 address. With IPv4, we can connect only this amount of devices to the internet. But these days, we have devices like computers, smartphones, more than 4 billion. So slowly we are moving towards IPv6 address, which is a 128-bit IP address. Now we will see IPv6. Internet Protocol version 6. In human-friendly form, IPv6 is written as a group of 8 hexadecimal numbers separated with colons. For example, in human-friendly form, the IPv6 address can be written like this, while in computer-friendly form, IPv6 address can be written by a sequence of 128 ones or zeros. Since a unique sequence of ones and zeros is given to each computer connected to internet, so with IPv6, a total of 2 to the power of 128 devices can be connected to internet. That is, IPv6 can address this amount of devices, which is actually more than enough for many future generations. Without these numeric protocols, we would not be able to connect to internet. And without internet, we would be standing in long queues to get our train tickets. We would be looking at newspapers to see where jobs are available. And we would be buying storage devices like CDs. Because without internet, cloud storage would not work. So IP address is must for internet connection. If this video was helpful to you and you have learned something from this video, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you.